ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity, Christopher Mutsvangwa, on Friday delivered yet another speech, heavy on slogans and light on substance, using the run-up to Heroes Day and Defense Force Day to repeat tired political talking points. Sanabena mashoko buda pangwa achachinzi Mutsvangwa's empty rhetoric on Heroes Day. Subscribe or like on the bell. Speaking at the party headquarters in Harare, Mutsvangwa dwelled on the well-worn narrative linking the defense forces to the liberation struggle, insisting that August remains a sacred month in Zimbabwe's history. He spoke of the great sacrifices made by sons and daughters to restore the nation's dignity, freedom, sovereignty, and independence. Sentiments that, while noble in theory, ring hollow for many citizens who see little connection between such rhetoric and the daily hardship they face. The address, lacking in fresh ideas or acknowledgements of current national challenges, once again underscored how commemorations are being used as platforms for political self-praise rather than meaningful reflection on action. To be the post siamurukuna on the screen, the post of ZANU-PF yamurukuna bdenyo wachinzi. ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity, Comrade Christopher Mutsvangwa, has underscored the significance of August in Zimbabwe's national calendar as it marks the commemoration of Heroes Day and Defense Forces Day. He noted that these two observances are closely linked as the defense forces were born out of liberation struggle, a struggle in which many sons and daughters made great sacrifices to restore the nation's dignity, freedom, sovereignty, and independence. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino yaitwa kupostiwa naChristopher Mutsvangwa ari achikritisizwa nevanhu achinzi aiwa mashoko ake or his address he lacked fresh ideas or acknowledgement of current national challenges. Panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi vanaChristopher Mutsvangwa, these are some of the people vari against zviri kuitika the ruling party, especially maco options. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomesi kushemedza mafungiro enyu, saka subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.